Hey, what's up guys, Nuno here. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a camera handheld shake effect in D5 render. To make this effect we are going to use Adobe After Effects. But don't worry, I know that After Effects can be a little bit scary at first, but what we're going to do, it's really quite simple and fast. So stick around, let's get started. Now inside After Effects, the first thing we're going to do is go to New Project. Now I'm simply going to drag my file, my video file here into the project, and I'm going to release it. Now I have two ways of start working on this file. I can simply drag and drop this into the timeline here, or I can right click and new composition from selection. Okay, we can have a look at how the video looks right now. So it doesn't have any camera shake. So without any camera shake, you see it looks very artificial, as for a person that it's holding the phone and just walking. So let's now try to fix this, and we can simply click this clip here, and we have two ways. We can click on this arrow and it will show up transform. We can click transform and it will show up the position. Or if you want a quick access to this position, it's quite easy. You just press the P on the keyboard, it's the shortcut, and now you can just see the position. Okay, and if hold Alt and click on the icon next to the position, it will allow you to write some code. But what we're going to do, it's very simple. We are just going to write this expression, which is wiggle and then open parentheses, and then we can type 3,50. Okay, and now you can see that we have some camera shake, but of course we have as well the video. We can see the black bars. One easy way to fix this is just by simply scaling this clip. We can press S on the keyboard and let's scale it to 105, and let's see. So maybe 107. Okay, and right now it's with the camera shake effect is too high, so you can go back to the position, and now you can see here again this expression if we click on this arrow, and we can reduce. For example, if we reduce here to 1, so you can see the effect becomes much more subtle. But what we want to do, we want actually to make this 3, and then here let's make it, for example, 35. Now let's play it. So it's still a little bit too high, so we can maybe reduce to 2. So now we just have a little bit of this camera shake. I think it's good enough to simulate that we are holding a phone. And as you can see, this is quite easy to make and very fast. Now if you want to render this clip, it's easy. You can just go to the composition on the top and select here add to render queue, and if you select this and you leave it by default, it will be with a lossless quality. So if you click here, you can select the folder where you want to save, and after you've done all of this, you can click render, and it will start rendering this video, which for this 8-second clip, at least in my computer, it was quite fast. It just took seconds to render. And by the way, if you want to learn more about D5 render, I have a course for that. I'll leave a link in the top right corner and also in the description below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.